Pinterest Marketing for Beginners. How to open and optimize a Pinterest account, a beginner's guide. Pinterest is more than a platform for saving beautiful pictures and ideas.
It is also a powerful visual search engine that can help you attract visitors, promote your brand, showcase products, and grow an online business.
If you are new to Pinterest, setting up your account correctly from the beginning can make a big difference. In this guide, you'll learn how to open and optimize a Pinterest account step by step.
Step 1. Create your Pinterest account. Start by visiting Pinterest and selecting Sign Up. You can create an account using your email address or another available sign-up method. If your goal is to promote a business, website, blog, products, or services, consider using a Pinterest business account. Business features can give you access to analytics and other tools designed for businesses and creators. Step 2 is a professional username. Your username is part of your Pinterest identity, so choose something simple and memorable. Ideally, your username should relate to your business name, personal brand. Website, main niche. Avoid using a confusing combination of random numbers and characters if you can. For example, if your business focuses on healthy recipes, a username related to healthy cooking or recipes could make your profile easier to understand. Step 3. Optimize your Pinterest profile. Your profile should immediately tell visitors who you are and what type of content you provide. Profile picture. Use a clear photo of yourself if you are building a personal brand, or use a professional logo if you are representing a business. Display name. Include your brand name, and where appropriate, a keyword describing your niche. Bio. Your bio should explain what you offer and who you help. For example, helping busy families discover easy healthy recipes, meal planning ideas, and simple cooking tips. Notice that the description naturally includes relevant keywords.
Make sure your website provides a useful experience when someone clicks through from Pinterest.
If you have a website, blog, online shop, or landing page, add it to your Pinterest profile. Pinterest can become an excellent source of website traffic because users often visit the platform specifically to discover ideas, products, tutorials, and information.
Step 4. Add your website. If you have a website, blog, online shop, or landing page, add it to your Pinterest profile.
For example, a home decor account might create. Use descriptive board names rather than vague names that don't explain what the board contains. For example, instead of simply creating a pin called My Kitchen, you might use a more descriptive title such as Small Kitchen Ideas for Modern Home. Pinterest works much like a search engine. People type keywords into the search bar to discover content.
Include relevant keywords naturally in your profile. Board names, board descriptions, pin titles, pin descriptions. Don't stuff your content with keywords. Make it useful and readable for real.
For example, a food blogger could create a pin titled 10 Easy Dinner Recipes for Busy Weeknights. The title immediately tells users what they can expect. Whenever appropriate, connect your pins to a relevant web page, blog post, product page, or other destination. The page should deliver what the pin prompts.
If your pin says 10 easy dinner recipes, the link should take visitors to those recipes, not to an unrelated homepage. This creates a better experience and can help turn Pinterest traffic into subscribers, customers, or followers.
Step 9. Be consistent. You don't need to create hundreds of pins overnight. A better strategy is to create useful content consistently. Test
Headlines, images, topics, keywords, pin designs. Then pay attention to which content gets the most impressions, saves, clicks, and engagement.
Impressions, saves, outbound clicks, engagement. Use this information to create more content around topics your audience is responding to.
Common Pinterest mistakes to avoid. When starting out, avoid these common mistakes. Using a vague profile. Visitors should immediately understand what your account is.
Ignoring keywords. Pinterest relies heavily on search and discovery, so relevant keywords matter. Creating clickbait. Your pin should accurately represent the content behind the link. Posting without a strategy. Random content can make it difficult to build a clear.
Giving up too quickly. Building traffic through Pinterest can take time. Consistency and testing are important.
Remember, Pinterest is more than a social media platform, it's a visual search engine. Optimize your profile, create useful content, use relevant keywords, and stay consistent. Start today, and you can build a Pinterest account that sends valuable traffic to your website, products, or business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more online business and digital marketing tips.